Meaning of inadvisable.
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 Inadvisable. The word inadvisable refers to an action or decision that is not recommended or considered unwise due to potential negative consequences. It suggests a lack of prudence and caution in making choices. Taking an inadvisable course of action may result in adverse outcomes, which could include physical, financial, or emotional harm. In some cases, the repercussions may be severe and long-lasting. Therefore, it is generally wise to avoid actions that are deemed inadvisable and to seek advice from others who have more experience or knowledge before making important decisions.